Hey, welcome back to Ideal 3D Projects. I'm Nelson, and today we have a special episode. I got my buddy Ryan with me, and we're gonna be trying out these holds out here. What's up, Ryan?
Sure. How you doing, Nelson?
Doing well. These holds are with PLA. We're gonna test them out for their strength, and over time, we're gonna see if they hold up. I'm gonna demonstrate here in a second. And then we'll end up having him do the challenge, and over time we'll come back for a part 2 and make sure that we're able to add some if we need to, or make sure that we can come back and do this if we can't do this today. So I'll do the demonstration, and then Ryan, you ready?
Sure.
All right, so rule 1 is both hands have to be on and your feet can't touch the ground. So you have to get your feet on. Second, you can use your leg to hold if you need to. The green is the second one. And then the red is the last one. And then 1 second hold, and then go back down if you can, and then drop to the ground, and you've done your boulder then. So now we'll give it a try.
First time ever trying this.
First time ever trying this. Here we go. There we go. You got it right, you got it. Oh, do it one more time.
Okay, one more time.
Do it one more time. You got this, you got this.
Worse.
You got that. Damn.
It's gonna take some time.
Now I'm gonna try it. You guys already see me do it in the demonstration, but I'll do it again. Oh, it's a struggle, man. It's so hard. Doing this with the label repair is actually a lot harder. Ooh, I can't touch that, yep. And then back down. Fudge. So hopefully we'll go up the tree from here, or we'll find a better spot to be able to do some actual holds with. Come on down.
Want to catch me? 1 second. I'll just climb down.
Yeah, you got it?
Just climbed.
Just jump.
That's a long jump.
I could take your force. Here, grab onto my hand.
Right,
Just with this hand, grab on. All right, now jump. Jump. Oh, perfect. Thanks, Chelsea and Ryan, for making this video possible. Stick around for a part 2, and you'll see how well we excelled or not excelled. That's up to you. Thanks. And if you like this, don't forget to like,
Share.
Subscribe.
and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.